Sunavin is a global manufacturer specializing in the research, development, production, and sales of barcode printers, thermal print heads, and thermal transfer ribbons. As a national high-tech enterprise, Sunavin's reputation extends beyond China. We've successfully partnered with over 7,500 clients in more than 50 countries and regions, assisting over 600 overseas entrepreneurs in establishing their businesses with Sunavin solutions. With 16 years of continuous development, our factories span across central, eastern, and southern China, covering an area of over 70,000 square meters and equipped with 15 high-energy production lines. Sunavin comprises over 10 core leadership teams and more than 2,000 skilled employees, including industry-leading experts, experienced engineering technicians, professional sales teams, and outstanding administrative staff. We provide customers with one-stop printing solutions and collaborate with renowned brands such as Zebra, TSC, Avery, Datamax, etc., offering a wide range of barcode printers, barcode scanners, thermal print heads, thermalables, thermal transfer ribbon, printer accessories, and more. Looking ahead, sustainable development is Sunavin's imperative. We prioritize environmental protection and are committed to creating a safe working environment. Our products hold various environmental certifications such as ISO 9001, 14001, SGS, CE, Halogen, REACH, MSDS, etc. Sunavin places great emphasis on the construction and investment of research and development and production systems, boasting a comprehensive team for process research and development, product design, and supply chain development management. We facilitate the transformation of scientific and technological achievements and collaborative innovation, with over 20 accumulated proprietary intellectual property rights. Why Sunavin is the ideal partner? 1. Competitive pricing. Every piece is at wholesale prices. Are you seeking affordable barcode solutions from China? At Sunavin, even if you're purchasing just one barcode printer, you'll get it at wholesale prices. Regardless of your order quantity, you can avail discounted rates. To one-stop solution, as a leading barcode supplier in China, we offer user-friendly barcode printing products and ensure long-term stable after-sales support. Our comprehensive services include one-on-one training and complete spare parts support, providing worry-free experiences for businesses. 3. Customization services, offering ODM and OEM customization solutions. Sunavin can customize products with specific specification and functions according to customer requirements. We support customization options for size, color, function, etc. Hassle-free after sales. Our commitment extends beyond the sale and offer videos and photos to showcase our factory's capacity and strength to customers, and they can schedule visits to our factory. Of course, we can sign a quality assurance agreement with customers, ensuring peace of mind. Our aim is to make customers worry-free and satisfied. Our service doesn't end with the purchase but begins from the moment we start collaborating. Join us and make your next printing procurement plan hassle-free, cost-effective, and effortless.